Write the expression for the equilibrium constant, Kb, for methylamine. Kb equals CH3NH3 plus OH minus / CH3NH2. 1 point is earned for the correct expression. Calculate the molar concentration of OH minus in the 50.0 milliliters sample of the methylamine solution. pH equals 11.77. H plus equals 10 to the power negative 11.77 is equal to 1.7 times 10 to the power negative 12. OH minus equals Kw slash H plus is equal to 1.0 times 10 to the power negative 14 slash 1.7 by 10 to the power negative 12 is equal to 5.9 times 10 to the power negative 3. Or, Po equals 14 minus pH equals 2.23. OH minus equals 10 to the power negative 2.23 is equal to 5.9 times 10 to the power negative 3. 1 point is earned for correct OH minus. Calculate the initial molar concentration of CH3NH2 in the solution before it reacted with water and equilibrium was established. Kb equals CH3NH3 plus OH minus / CH3NH2. 4.4 by 10 to the power negative 4 equals 5.9 by 10 to the power negative 3, 5.9 by 10 to the power negative 3 / x, 5.9 by 10 to the power negative 3. X equals 0.085 molar. 1 point is earned for CH3NH3 plus equals OH minus. 1 point is earned for the correct initial molar concentration. Note, an approximated molar concentration does not earn the second point. The 50.0 milliliters sample of the methylamine solution is titrated with an HCl solution of unknown concentration. The equivalence point of the titration is reached after a volume of 36.0 milliliters of the HCl solution is added. The pH of the solution at the equivalence point is 5.98. Write the net ionic equation that represents the reaction that takes place during the titration. CH3NH2 plus H3O plus gives CH3NH3 plus H2O. Or CH3NH2 plus H plus gives CH3NH3 plus. 1 point is earned for a correct equation. Calculate the concentration of the HCl solution used to titrate the methylamine. 0.085 moles / 1000 ml times 50.0 milliliters equals 0.00425 moles CH3NH2. 0.00425 moles HCl / 36.0 milliliters times 1000 ml / 1.000 liters equals 0.12 molar. 1 point is earned for equal moles of acid and base. 1 point is earned for the correct concentration. Using the axes provided, sketch the titration curve that results from the titration described above. On the graph, clearly label the equivalence point of the titration. Visual. 1 point is earned for a curve starting at a pH between 11 and 12. 1 point is earned for labeling the equivalence point at V equals 36.0 milliliters HCl and a pH of 5.98. 1 point is earned for general shape of the curve for a weak acid / strong base titration.